Hey guys, so we are almost done with week 2. We only have a couple more activities left and then we're on to our last week of this unit. You guys have been working hard. I love all the work that I'm seeing, and especially for your s'more infographic. I cannot wait to see the final product. Today we are going to see how you use VoiceThread. So we are down here for Thursday, and you're going to be using VoiceThread, which is very new to you guys. Whoops, I'm already logged in. But you would come to this homepage, okay, and then you would have to register. So you can just enter your first initial and last initial, your CCPS email, and then you create your password. I would suggest using the password that you already used on your computer because that will make it easier for you to remember. But since I already have my information, I'm going to log in. And now this tool is very cool, and I think you guys are going to enjoy it. You will be using the weather predictions. All right, so when you open it, you will come up to this. And today you're going to be predicting the weather based off of clouds. All right, so we've been learning about clouds, we've been learning about storms, what tools we can use, and you also have experience with yourself, just knowing if I see this cloud, it means, oh, it's going to be a nice day, or if I see like a cumulonimbus cloud, it's probably going to storm later. So what you're going to do is you navigate using these arrows down here. And so this would be the first one that pops up. And again, the question, what type of cloud, what are you going to predict that's going to happen? And the way that you make your prediction is you click this comment button where there's a little plus sign, and you're going to use this video recording. So once you click that, it may ask you to allow use of the video camera and your volume, and you would click yes. So then you would post your comment once you're finished. Then you will go on to the next slide. There are 10 of them, and you are required to comment on all 10 slides. So please make sure that you get to all of them. If you have any questions, you can always Google the information. That might be a little quicker, or you can come email me or ask me any questions that you need. Good luck, and I can't wait to see your all's predictions.